Change 881 to 82. First, stand up. Dismantling conveyor. Remove the screws first and put them next to it. Remove the removed one. Take the 882 long shaft. Align the screws into the hole. Three screws lock it on. Here we go. Install a vertical tripod. Take the screw that was just removed. Hold it first without locking it. Align it with the crossbar. Lock the horizontal line. Lock both left and right sides. Then stand up. Align the long axis with the hole of the 3-star gear. There are ditches under the feet on both sides. Then turn the conveyor a little bit. After entering the groove, he will slide down by himself. Put the screws in first. Lay it flat. Align. This crossbar in the middle. Align this line. Look at the horizontal locking. The left and right sides are the same and aligned. Lock again. In this way, the modification 882 is completed. Parts introduction. Let's start from the right. No fuse switch. This is CE. This here is the passive wheel. Sealing tape. This is the heating block. The cooling block active wheel. The embossing wheel, the rubber wheel, and then pack a bag.